I'm Nigel Ponton and I'm the UK Fleet Engineering Manager for Cemex. So we're currently operating over 100 tipper vehicles. So to purchase 20 new DAF XD model vehicles is a significant investment for Cemex in the UK. We have a long-standing relationship with DAF trucks and we've always valued the safety features that come with the product. And in recent years, with the launch of the XD vehicle and range of vehicles, we saw an opportunity to upgrade to the XD cab. The XD cab offers greater visual effect to the driver. It meets the criteria with a 4-star rating for the TfL requirements in London and the DBS requirements. So the vehicles have been spec'd with mirrorless technology. After a little bit of apprehension, the drivers have absolutely adopted the technology and outperformed the mirrors that have been fitted to the previous fleets in terms of visibility, night vision, clarity, all exceeding expectations. We also have the passenger side door fitted with a lower glass to enable the driver with greater view for vulnerable road users. So with the new XD models and the new drivetrains that have become available to us, we've seen greater miles per gallon performance on the runs that we're doing, benchmarks against other makes and also the older fleet that we had. So the drivers love the new cabs. At the end of the day, the cab is their office, it's their working environment, they need to be comfortable. Part of the process on purchasing these trucks, we actively involve them within the procurement process, enabling them to talk about what makes them comfortable, what makes them happy in their working environment, what we can do as a company to provide them with a safer workplace.
Hello, my name's Stephen Townsend. I'm Group Fleet Engineer for Grundon. I'm responsible for the specification of all vehicles ordered, and Grundon is a waste company. We look after all trade waste, try to meet the challenges of the waste world. We have a fleet size at Grundon of 350 trucks. The new truck is a return to DAF for Grundon. The XD is a key vehicle for us. All the potential of taking us further forward. It has the ability to have this Transport for London, a star rating from 3-star to 5-star. 5-star being the best, which allows us into London without any issues. So this brings us to a really good place, up to 2030 and beyond. The key elements for the vehicle for us, the vision that the driver has, the ease of access, the comfort within the vehicle, gone for the digital cameras to give us that bigger, larger, broad scope and more safety-based features when it comes to vision. One area from in the cab for the driver to see is the near side window. This is an exceptionally size, and it also has the occasional seat which allows to be flipped up to give the driver full vision. The XD offers a range of engines up to 11.6. This kind of fits our profile nicely, and it will allow us to go to 18 tonne, 26 tonne, 32 tonne. That should bring everything we need in the rigid element of our business. Relatively early days for the drivers when it comes to the cab. It's easy to drive, it's car derived when it comes to its dash, and so far there's only been compliments towards it. So this is the first, started the ball rolling if you like. We've got 7 more on order and 4 of those are of the electric type. The XD we're hoping will take us to 2030 and beyond.